So we're out in beautiful weather today. We've got some brand new jet skis, which is pretty exciting, and we're going out east somewhere and we're going to have a bit of fun. It's something, you know, you hear all these stories about the crocodiles out there, so hopefully we don't fall off and we stay safe and come back. It's beautiful. Got their own swimming pool. I've almost fell off a few times. So it's been awesome so far. It's great to be out on the water having a bit of fun with Anton and the guys, and it's really cool to see Darwin from a different perspective and to be on these sort of jet skis, and it's a pretty cool thing to do, so if you have the chance you should definitely have a go. So we're back again this weekend at Darwin. We had an awesome time last time, lots of good racing, so we're just comparing, having a bit of fun, and we'll see you back out there this weekend.